Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping back by my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you a product. It's a brow stamp kit. Now this product did come from If you guys are interested in the product that I'm bringing to you, keep watching my video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Also hit that notification bell. So let's get right into the video. Hi everyone, so like I said, this product did come from If. This is their stamp kit. Like you seen at the beginning, I'm going to show you guys these little stencils that came with the product. So I already took this one off. It's the classic, the youthful. It's 24 stencils, so it comes with a lot of shapes and sizes. So as you can see, this one right here, this is how it looks on my brow. I already took this one out to see how it would look the first time. I like the classic one because it's simple. This one is too big for me. I feel like it's not for me. As you can see, it seems like it's too big. So, but this is Queen. I think Queen fits the Queen. I think the Queen is really pretty. So I like Queen and Classic. I find that these stencils are really easy to use. You just try to line it up with your brow. I'm gonna open up my eyebrow stamp. And as you can see, it does have the natural brown powder in it. And as you can see right here, it's inside the tube. So I'm gonna stamp Classic on my eyebrow and see how it goes. Just press it up against my brow bone. First I have to line it up. Okay, and I'm just stencil it in. As you can see, I'm gonna dab a little bit more, and it's easy to push the little mushroom shaped sponge inside the tube. So when you push it, it sort of bounces, as you can see. And I'm gonna just stamp my brows. Now for the big reveal, I think it's really pretty. I mean, I should have got a darker color because... So I'm going to use the Queen stencil. I'm going to place it over my brow, make sure it's lined up correctly, and then I'm going to just stamp it up. And I'm gonna just stamp. This is the Queen, Classic, Queen. First I'm gonna go back and fix it all up, put my highlighter at the bottom of it. I feel like the color is a little bit off. I should have got a darker color like I said, but I'm gonna keep going and see how things end up. I think I want to stick with the Classic, which is on my right side. Now that I put on my Classic brows, I'm going to go in and fix and highlight areas, but I'm gonna try to fix everything around my brows. I'm going to try to make the line a little bit sharper, and I am using my, I think it's Julia number 10. So if you stayed to the end, guess what time it is? You know. My final thoughts on this product from If. I like how the product is. They say it's waterproof. I didn't test it out yet to see if it was waterproof, but I like how the stencil make my brows sharpened, and as you've seen, I did use my concealer up under my brows to sharpen my brows how I normally would wear them. Like I said, there are 24 stencils. I did use the classic reusable stencils. The color that I did get in this product was a natural brown. I feel like I should have got a little darker color because as you can see, it's a little bit light. Like, I like a little bit darker brows, but I feel like it's still okay. It's not irritating my skin. The stamp is really good. As you can see, this is how it looks, and I really didn't have to do too much to my brows. From the stencil, it has the little angles and points and things like that. This was an easy product to use. It was not messy at all. If you are interested, I will leave the link down below in my description box. And I thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.